National Weather Service in Hastings, Nebraska. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System for radio stations WXL-74, WXL-75, KWN-62, KTG-99, KHC-39, KWN-59, and WNG-578, serving central and south central Nebraska and north central Kansas. During potentially dangerous weather situations across the area, the alarm tones you just heard would be activated and immediately followed by information about the impending hazard. Your reception of the alarm tones and the radio broadcast may vary at times, even though you are using a quality receiver that is in good working order. This test is normally conducted each Wednesday morning around 11 a.m., but will be canceled in the event of severe or hazardous weather. This has been the National Weather Service in Hastings. We now return you to our regular programming.